Mo maitekong a go samagana le botlhokatiro jo bo kwa godimo mo bašweng, puso e tla tlhoma mananeo a dikopotiro tsa puso.
Part of government's commitment to remove the barriers that young people confront when trying to enter the public service, we are reducing the cost and effort of applying for positions. For example, applicants for public service positions are no longer required to submit certificated or certified copies of their educational qualifications and other relevant documents.
Ramaphosa a re puso e tla fokotsa tiego ya kgolo ya dikgwebo jaaka maiteko a go tsibogela ditlhokwa tsa bašwa. Mo puong ya gagwe le setšhaba go sa le gale, Mopresidente o itsisitse fa kantoro ya gagwe e tla tlhoma unity e tla samagana le tiego mo lephateng la kgwebo.
We are intensifying our investment drive and removing the red tape that has always held business back from contributing to the growth of our economy to achieve greater employment creation. Alongside these measures, we are harnessing capacity of the state to respond to the immediate needs of young people.
Puso e tla tlhoma mokgwa wa tlhabololo ya dinonofo wa digital o tla tlholang ditiro tse di ka fa tlase ga dikete di le 10.
At the beginning of next month, government will be launching the Future of Work Ambassadors program. This program will focus on improving as well as modernizing the recruitment and retention of youth in the public service. We want our young people to be in the public service. By bringing them in, we want them to modernize, to be part of the modernization of the public service, to contribute to the innovative applications that we want to bring into the public service, and also to increase the capacity of the state.
Gape go na le maano a go tsosolosa National Youth Service e tla nnang le seabe mo tlhabololong le kago ya setšhaba.